Hi friends, Teacher Jessie here, and today we are going to make baked mac and cheese. So the ingredients that you will need are a box or a bag of large elbow macaroni, bacon crumbles if you choose, 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, salt, pepper, some cheese for our mac and cheese, a measuring cup for your milk, and a pan or dish to put your mac and cheese in once it's ready for the oven. The steps on how to make baked mac and cheese. Next, you are going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Your parent will probably have to help you with this, and you're going to make sure it's on bake. After you have done that, you can get your pot full of water. Mine already has water in it, so we'll start making our macaroni and cheese now. Hi friends, so once you have filled your pot with water, your parents are going to help you. Turn it on so it can start boiling. It may take a while, so you can do a fun dance while you're waiting. So once your water is boiled, have a parent help you, or have the parent do it themselves, and open this and pour the macaroni in. Now that the macaroni is inside the pot, we're going to wait another 6 to 8 minutes for the macaroni to cook. Friends, once your macaroni is done cooking, your parents are going to turn off the burner and take your strainer and bring it to the sink and drain the macaroni. Once the noodles have been strained, you're going to put them back inside the pot. They can all come out. Once the noodles are all back inside the pot, you're going to take 8 tablespoons of butter. I have 8 tablespoons right here, and you're going to put it inside your pot with the macaroni and cheese. And then you're going to mix it up until it's all melted. Once all the butter is melted, you're going to use your 2 cups of cheese and only put half of it in. Once you've mixed it in, you're going to add salt and pepper for taste. Here's some pepper and some salt. You can use milk if you choose. If you don't want to, it's fine too. There might be other options as well. So you're going to do 1 cup of love for milk. Once the milk is in, you're going to grab your egg and you're going to crack it and put the egg with your mac and cheese. Once you have added the milk and the egg, you are welcome to put bacon. For my family, we like to put bacon with our mac and cheese. So I'm gonna put 1/2 cup of bacon and then mix. Okay friends, it looks like our mac and cheese is ready to be put in the oven. So now you're going to take your pot and you're going to put your mac and cheese inside the pan. Once it is all in the pan, you're going to use a spoon to make it more so it's all inside the pan. Just like that. And as you can see some bacon and a lot of cheese in there and the macaroni. So once that is done, we're going to add the remainder of your cheese and you're going to sprinkle it . My family wanted to add some more bacon to the top, so I'm going to add some bacon to the top of our mac and cheese. our mac and cheese is ready to be put in the oven, your parent will open the oven, put on some oven mitts, and bring the pan and put it on the middle shelf. And we're gonna close the oven, and we're gonna set a timer for 30 minutes. And we're gonna see how this goes for 30 minutes. You might wanna cook it longer, you might wanna cook it shorter. It all depends on your oven and how you like your mac and cheese. So I just checked on my mac and cheese, and it looks like we're gonna have to do it for a little bit more time. So I'm gonna put 10 more minutes on the timer. And press start, and we'll come back in 10 minutes and see how it looks. Baked mac and cheese for my family. Would you like some?
Please. Oh. Thank you.
Would you like some?
Yes, please.
I'll take some for myself too. There we go. Should we take a bite and see how it tastes?
Oh, that's awesome.
It's so
Hi friends, I hope you all enjoyed my video. I hope you all enjoyed making your own mac and cheese with your family. I also hope that you guys are having fun going outside and playing with your siblings or your parents. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye.